Hello everyone, welcome to our Easy Cooking, Easier Chinese program again. I think you have noticed the food ingredients I already put on the page. Broccoli and beef. What would you do with these two? Grill them? Stew them? Well, Chinese people would usually stir-fry them, like this. And the Chinese name of this dish is 西兰花炒牛肉, broccoli stir-fried with beef. Here, 西兰花 means broccoli. 炒 is stir-fry. 牛肉 means beef. Before we cook this dish, let me say something more about the character 花 here. 花 by itself can mean a flower or blossom. So why do we put the word flower in the Chinese name of broccoli? First, its green top is made up of thousands of little buds. So we do eat the flower part of broccoli, except that we don't wait until it blossoms. And second, the shape of a broccoli does look like a flower, doesn't it? So, besides being used for flowers, literally, the character 花 can also be found in the Chinese names of a lot of things that have the shape of a flower. For example, this is a cotton plant. In Chinese, it's 棉花. Here, 棉 itself means cotton. But why do we still put 花 after it? Because this plant looks like a flower, although the white part is actually part of the cotton fruit. The next example is a snowflake. Its Chinese name, 雪花. 雪 means snow. Obviously, the Chinese name, which literally means snow flower, indicates that a snowflake looks like a beautiful flower. In fact, 雪花 also appears in an old Chinese song which suddenly shot to the top of music charts in Northern Europe this summer. Let's enjoy a clip of a popular remix here.
Let's talk about music. I dig blues music. I like Red's music. I like Green's music. We don't like children's music. No. What music are you into? I like this. It's very grown up.
雪花飘飘，北风萧萧，天地一片苍茫。
Haha, do you like this clip? What Peppa Pig played is the chorus part from the 1983 classic song 一剪梅, A Cut of Plums. The melancholic love song compares the singer's undying love to a blossoming plum tree in middle of the severe winter. It conveys a feeling of sadness and misery and has now become a popular meme overnight. Especially the line 雪花飘飘，北风萧萧 can be used in almost any kind of context. So, if I insist on asking whether you like my video here, you could also sing 雪花飘飘，北风萧萧. Well, it is indeed the catchphrase of the moment. Okay, besides 雪花 and 棉花, you can also find 花 in the Chinese names of a splash and fireworks. A splash is 浪花, where 浪 means waves, and fireworks is 烟花, where 烟 means smoke. Do you think they both look just like flowers too? These figurative uses of 花 is a true reflection of the romantic side of the Chinese people as they observed keenly the beauties of the nature. Now, let's have a look at the construction of the character 花. This picture shows us the historic evolution of the character from the left to the right. Do you think the first three ancient forms, look like the picture of a flower, like this. So these are typical pictographic characters. However, these two recent forms show us an up and down compound structure. The upper part is 草, meaning grass or plant, as flowers are a member of the plant family. The lower part means to change or transform. Isn't flowers a most magnificent change in the nature? But its main use lies in the pronunciation, 花, same as 花, except for the tone. So one part indicating the meaning and the other part the pronunciation. These two forms of 花 have become typical pictophonetic characters. Now let's practice writing down the character 花. Follow the strokes from the top to the bottom. How many of them are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 strokes. It's a simple character to write, isn't it? I'm sure it will be easy peasy for you. Now, why don't we move on to the kitchen and see if our cooking today is lemon squeezy too? Oops, what's the name of our dish today again? 西兰花炒牛肉, broccoli stir-fried with beef. Hello everyone! Today's easy Chinese dish will be broccoli stir-fried with beef, 西兰花炒牛肉. I hope you're ready. Now, let's go and take a look at all the food ingredients we need. First, we'll need to break the broccoli into little chunks and wash them up. Then we need a piece of beef, some ginger, and garlic. Now, you see the texture of the beef and we will cut against its texture. Now, we can cut the beef into small slices first. Now put the sliced beef in a bowl and we are going to marinate them. First, add some salt and then some corn flour, some sugar, then some dark soy sauce to darken the color of the meat, and some light soy sauce to add to the flavor. Then mix them up properly. Now turn on the stove. Put some oil in the frying pan. Make sure it's evenly spread at the bottom of the pan. And we can put in the beef first. Stir fry the beef very quickly until the color is changed from red to brownish. Then we can put them back in the marinating bowl. Add a little bit more oil in the frying pan. And now put in the garlic and ginger, stir fry for a bit. And then we can put in the broccoli chunks. Stir fry the broccoli and then add a little bit water and put on the lid. Let it boil. Then after 2 or 3 minutes, take off the lid and add some salt to the broccoli. Mix them up, and then when you feel the broccoli has turned soft, put in the beef and mix them up. Stir fry for another 30 seconds and they are ready to serve. Okay, our dish today, 西兰花炒牛肉, is finished. Did you have a go at your home? Remember to send us an email with the pictures of your yummy results. Thank you for watching our video today. See you next time. Goodbye.